Hey foodies, this is Chef Pete and I am here in the kitchen making slow cooker top round tender beef, okay? This is a little least expensive cut of meat in the store, and the best way to do this is to slow cook it. Either do it on top of the stove or do it in your slow cooker for 6 to 8 hours on low or 6 hours on high. And we're going to put vegetables with this. I have mixed vegetables. I have carrots, I have onion and potatoes, and then I'm going to put our sauce on the top, which is consisting of cream of mushroom soup and 1 package of the onion soup mix. Okay, so you can make your own on this, just Google it, or you can buy a package of onion soup mix it all together, and then that is going to be our gravy, and it's going to be a thick, delicious gravy. This is going to be a very tender cut of meat as you see it here. I have it cut into 6 pieces, and what we're going to do is layer this, okay, with vegetables on the bottom, meat on top of the vegetables, and then our gravy, which is going to cook and make the whole thing just full of deliciousness and everything that we have, okay? So, our train is moving. We have lots of subscribers. We love you all. This is another cold winter vegetable meat dish that you can make for your family. Turn it on and turn it off at the afternoon and you're ready to go. With a salad and your vegetables already, there you have it. So this is Peter Carpizzos. Remember, hit those subscribe buttons. We love you all, and we'll see you again in another video. This is Pete, out.